What's up, everybody? Out 84 Wicked Explorers. It is July 9th, Friday. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are preparing for Tropical Storm Elsa. It looks like it's already started to come. Today's going to be a wild day of storms, rain, wind, and all that crazy stuff. Let's see how bad we get it up here as it makes its way up the East Coast. This is the drive this morning. We go down into State Route 1, US 1. You can tell it's hazy, no visibility. It's not looking good. Alright, what's up, everybody? At 84 Wicked Explorers. We're going on another adventure. If you're watching this video, please subscribe. Hit the little alarm button below right there so you can get alerts every time we do a video. We do a video every week. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So this video, what you just seen, was what my Jeep was doing prior to me bringing it to the shop. Now, it started this problem back on May 1st when I got back from a Texas trip. And it's been off and on. I brought it to the shop like 2-3 weeks later to one dealership. They thought they fixed it. I think they just cleared the codes, and then 3 days later, the problem was back. So I did some research, and I found out it had something with the electrical system going into the steering. I'm not quite sure. We'll take a look at the receipt, and I'll tell you exactly what it was. But it seemed to be a common problem with Jeeps 2004 on, depending on the type. So, long story short, I dropped the Jeep off. It's been 2 weeks now. It was 2 weeks ago, Wednesday. I dropped it off for the 4th of July. Now, granted, I wasn't supposed to drop it off till Friday. I dropped it off early because I just couldn't get the car going. I finally got it going, so I just dropped it off. So, I give them a week and a half. There was a holiday and whatnot like that. I did call them last Tuesday, and they told me they hadn't even touched it yet. So, they got me a loaner car. I was paying for a rental car. So, before I paid today, I'm already about, I don't know, $1,100, $1,200 in the hole for this situation between the two rental cars and the first time to the shop. Oh, also, in between, I dropped a new battery in there because I thought maybe the problem was as simple as a new battery. And it wasn't. So we're gonna see what the cost is. I got a quote of somewhere around $1,100 for this to be replaced. So I'm driving up there on my lunch break right now to get this picked up and drop off the loaner car they gave me last week, so I didn't have to pay for a rental anymore. There was an incident with the car at the dealership. They did leave my roof open during a rainstorm. So, the wife, Suzi J, went down to check it out, and it was in the detail shop the next day, and they were sucking all the water out and cleaning it up. So, hoping it doesn't have any long-term effect on it, but we'll see. So we're grabbing that now. I'm going to go over the whole car, make sure everything looks good, and we'll give you an update of what went wrong, and for all you Jeep owners out there, something to look for, and your suggestions and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. All right, we're back in the car, and everything looks good. No warning lights. Everything looks like they fixed everything they need them to fix, which is good. The car smells all right. I mean, it's not that bad. Nothing in air freshener, I can't help. But let's see, stop available, check engine light on again. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Start this up again and see what happens. Alright, so I restarted the car, and the engine light's still on, but I'm gonna drive around for a little while until the engine light goes off. But that scary error went away, which is good. I don't know, maybe it was just something, but we'll see. We'll try this a little longer, and we'll see what happens. Then I'll go over the little slip and see what they fixed on the car for me. Alright, so we get the check engine light on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually clear the data and see. It's view data. How do I get back? Let's back it up a little bit here. Let's read codes. I'm going to see what codes. We had like 1 billion codes last time. No codes. Let's see, any pending codes? And any permanent codes. Alright, so let's go back. Let's erase the codes. This could just be a fluke. Maybe they didn't erase them. Alright. Alright. And then you get the AT. See if there's any codes on there. No. Okay. Let's go back. Race codes. All right. So now let's disconnect this. So, and let's shut the car off. All right. Let's start it back up. Let's see if that check engine light comes back on. And so far, so good. Okay, so let's see if that helped. Before, when I did this code thing with the computer, it had about 13 codes on it. So that one code that I've seen on there is actually probably not a bad idea. So let's go. I'm going to take a look at the invoice right now and see exactly what they did. It looks like it was a modular. They reset everything. The anti-lock brake system, there was an issue with. So it looks like they replaced some modulars. They did some tests of the wires and everything like that and reprogrammed it a little bit. So let's see if this helped. Remember last time we brought this in, it worked for about a week, and then it shit the bed again. So I'm just going to bring it back to them and say, hey, you didn't fix it, and we'll see what happens. So there we go. We'll see if we can hopefully just solve the problem right here. Yeah, it says they gave me an oil change, but it doesn't say anything they gave it on the change. Maybe they put it on the house for me, but I'll contact them and find out anyways, but there you go. All right, so there's my update on the Jeep Wrangler situation. It's a 2018 LJ. That's a late model 18 Sport 4-door. I've heard this problem happens a lot with a lot of Jeeps, so hopefully it's resolved. I know there's definitely a wiring situation going to the modular down there, so hopefully they took care of that, and we'll see. So we'll keep you updated on this channel. Thanks you guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment. If you guys ever had this issue with your Jeep, please let me know. Because I'm dying to know what other solutions there is in case this comes up again. So, thanks, guys. All right, so this is 12:35, and the date is 13th. I literally picked this car up 6 hours ago. 12 hours ago from the dealership. And we're back to where we were when I dropped it off.
Where do you think they go? You think they help the ordinary average human?
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye!